Hey everybody, so this is a super quick tutorial how to create a turntable in the Unreal Engine. First of all, drop in your asset that you created, set it to 0, move the lighting a little bit, rotate it. Also add a mannequin for size comparisons. Change the color of it to gray. Next add a cinema camera actor. Add a basic actor, a null actor. Add an image plane. If you can't find the image plane, you need to activate it. Edit plugins, image plate. Make sure you have it activated. Select the cinema camera actor and add a static mesh to it. Type in here sm underscore color calibrator. Move it a little bit forward. Scale it down. Move it so it's in the top left corner of your final render cam. Also change the aperture to a high value. Maybe the focal length to something wider, 25. Jump into your render camera. Position your camera so your prop is pretty good in frame. Just the color picker also. Move it more to the side and more to the bottom left. Next thing is add the image plane to the cinema camera actor. Just drag and drop it there. Zero everything out. Jump out of the cinema camera. Right now the image plate is in full screen mode. So fill screen, uncheck it. And we also have a placeholder texture that we are replacing now with our reference images. So just drag and drop your reference image into it. Create a new material. Check your image first. It's a little bit too bright, so let's turn it down a little bit. It's good. Save. Open your new material. Change the material from default lit to unlit and activate two-sided. Then drag and drop your texture into it. Connect the RGB to the emissive color. Looks good. Apply, save, close. Now drag and drop your new material to the image plate material slot. Right here. Jump back to the cinema camera. Scale it down. Move it to the right top corner. Like this. And now we have everything to prepare for our turntable. One last thing, just drop your cinema camera actor to the actor, which is our null node. Zero it out before, make sure everything is on 0. And now parent your cinema camera actor to the actor. All good. So now we are creating a level sequence. Press here, add level sequence. save it as tt prop 01 or whatever. Now we drag and drop our cinema into the level sequence. But just add the sequencer, add cinema camera actor. We're also changing the frame rate to 24 frames. We are changing the timeline, something bigger. Let's make a timeline of about 240 frames. On top of that, add the null actor to the sequencer. And we are also adding the chair. And we are also adding the lighting, the directional light, to the sequencer. Okay, first of all, we want to have the camera turn around the prop. So we are selecting the actor and we add a transform. So we can manipulate the transform in the sequencer. Then we key at 0 frame the jaw of it. You can also key the complete rotation. Then we go to frame 120 and change it to 360 degrees. Full turn. And this is our turn around the prop with the camera. And now we also want to turn our lighting around the prop. So we are selecting our lighting, our directional light. Press again add transform. So we can add the transform values to the sequencer. We have the frame 120 selected. Go to rotation. And again, we make a keyframe on the jaw. We're going to the last frame of it. Select the jaw again. We don't delete it, but we're saying plus 360. And now our lighting is rotating around our prop. The last 120 frames. The first 120 frames, our camera is rotating around our prop. And that's it. We have our color calibrator on the bottom left, and we have our reference image on the top right. And the last step is to just render it. And you just hit the render movie button, but before you need to save all. So we are saving our level. Okay, press the render button. We are rendering AVI is fine. Full HD resolution is fine. You can leave everything pretty much default. Just hit capture movie. And here it goes, our rendering of our turntable. And it's done. And our final turntable looks like this. 360 degrees around the prop, and then our lighting 360 degrees. That's it. Hope it helps. Have fun. Ciao.